Hello everyone, it's Mr. Hutton here. Now obviously I should be in lessons with you at Trinity, but because of what's been happening I can't be. I'm sorry for that, but I'm going to try and do as much as we can do here at home, so all the knowledge and all the learning that you would get you're acquiring at home, and then we can start to apply it in a more practical way once we get into lessons. Now you're going to be on a carousel for the first half term. It's been decided that a lot of students were not really sure about their options. They weren't really 100% convinced on what their choices were, so we're going to a short carousel with the creative subjects, and hopefully you can really solidly say, yeah, this is the one for me, this is the one I want to do. So we're going to be on a rotation with art and food, so there's going to be a couple of weeks at home, there'll be 2 weeks with me to do a project, and then we'll rotate round to another one just to give you a flavour, and then by half term you should know exactly, yeah, this is the one for me, this is the option. Now in terms of engineering, thank you for choosing engineering to start with. There was lots and lots of people. There was actually about over 60 people wanted to do engineering, and I chose the best students, you, to do engineering. So I really hope that you'll continue to do it and choose engineering again. Now let's get on to the business. First thing we're going to do is we're going to do a series of short projects, really short projects, to get you in that practical thinking again, to make sure that you've not forgotten all the things that you learnt in year 7 and year 8, just to bring it all together. And the first thing is just to make a simple box. It's a really, really great little project that you're thinking about the project and how it works. So how do I prepare, how do I mark out, how do I modify, how do I join, etc. And great little project. Now obviously we can't do it, we're at home and I'm not expecting you to do it, but you can do all the thinking and all the preparations, so when we do come into school you're straight on it, okay? So first of all, it's going to be a simple box made of pine. You need to understand about hardwood and softwoods. You need to be thinking about finger joints. You need to be thinking about the production process. Most of that, or a lot of it's in the knowledge organiser. So that's your first point of call. Look at the knowledge organiser and make sure you're familiar with the terms. Now, on YouTube, there's a really short little film where a guy goes through all the processes, exactly what I would do in the lesson, and I'm going to set you a piece of work to watch that video and make some really clear notes on it, and it's got to be clear. So if he's talking about a particular tool, you need to know what that is and what it does, and then hopefully that'll really help you when we go into the lessons. Bam, you're up to speed, okay? So I'll set that for the first lesson, and then more technical and complex stuff as we go. Now it's up to you. You can either open up the PowerPoint, no, it's a Word file, open up the Word file, type in the stuff if you want to, or you can print it out if you want to, or you can just write it on a lined piece of paper. I don't mind, but you need to do it. You need to submit it. If it's on a piece of paper, just take a picture of it, send me the picture. If it's on the Word, send me the Word. But make sure you're treating these lessons like a lesson. I'm doing it on the day and I'm submitting the work, okay? So any problems, contact me through Teams and I will get back to you as soon as I can, okay? Best of luck with the project, and hopefully I'll see you very soon. Thank you.